Welcome to Bestusefultips. In this video, I will show you how to set the dynamic wallpaper on your Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. Recently launched the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE with the One UI 8 version, Android 16. So it will apply the new dynamic wallpaper. To apply this dynamic wallpaper on your Samsung S25 FE or any other One UI 8 version, tap and hold the blank space on the home screen. Tap the wallpaper and style. Now tap on the change wallpapers. If you have latest One UI 8 version, so you can find this dynamic option in the picture wallpaper also. Also when you scroll down here, you can find the dynamic option in the color also. So select the any dynamic option. So here we select the dynamic option. Now select lock screen or home screen you want to set. Now tap on the next button. When you select the next, you can see the style option at the bottom. So tap on it. Here you can see different dynamic wallpaper changes colors over the time. So it will automatically change the colors automatically depend on the condition of your weather. So automatically change the wallpaper color or over time using this dynamic wallpaper. Now after select it, tap on the done option at the top right corner and it will apply to your home screen and lock screen. So whenever if you lock or unlock your Samsung S25 FE, it will you can see change the wallpaper color on your device. So quite easy or very creative feature to change the wallpaper on home screen and lock screen or apply the dynamic wallpaper on a Samsung Galaxy S25 FE devices. That's it. Do you like this new dynamic wallpaper feature? Please tell us in the comment section. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.